Hey, Madison, we are so proud of you. Sounds like your classes are going well, and it seems like you're making some great new friends at college. I wanted to send a package with a few things I hope will make you feel more at home. I know getting up for those 8 a.m. classes is rough, so I've included some much-needed caffeine and a tool planner to help keep track of your schedule. I've added in some dates, like Nana's birthday, and I've even marked down the days you'll be back at home. You know I'm already counting down. I had to pack a picture of Max. You know he slept on your bed every day since you've left. And I saw you left Mr. Binko's. He insisted on stowing away. The family misses you so much. Yes, even your little brother. We know you're gonna do great things, honey. Love, Mom.